Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you uizard.ai. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Are you looking for an easy way to create beautiful designs? Uizard's AI features empower you to design like never before. Use Auto Designer to generate a mockup from simple text. Use Uizard's screenshot scanner to turn screenshots into editable mockups. Or use Text Assistant to generate copy for your designs. Advance your project with an easy to use editor, collaborate with your team in real time, and leave instant feedback to make iteration a breeze. You bring the ideas, AI does the rest. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.